that prissy. Start too sick, I gonna need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that time my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, me no know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking through my 6 trades on the NAS100 today. What can I say about today's price action? So today I was looking for a sell more down to this level, but here was a level of, I guess, liquidity again, like price would try to reach that area again. So I went for that trade, and that's what net me the profit. I was aiming for more of a sell. As you can see earlier, I was aiming for more of that sell coming down to here. I didn't get that. That's what net me these 2 bigger losses. And then when the market started to trade up, I could see it wasn't breaking through. I was thinking, all right, where would it go for liquidity again? It really came down here, and then that huge sell-off, I was like, I'm getting out. Why? Just because of how much it sold. Like, it could automatically be oversold and reverse, and that's exactly what came with the next candle. So I just made sure to exit there. Anytime I see like big push downs like that, especially not through some levels, you might be better off just closing out that trade, like taking your profits and going. And that's what I did. And then the final one, I tried to follow the trend because I did see this move. I even saw this reversal, but I didn't take them. So last time I went to take a trade, put my max risk at 25. When I lost, I just decided to stop. But let's get into each of the trades one by one. So this one I entered 8 hours after open. I'm using the Athens time zone because that matches up with the broker here. So if I go to 8 hours after open, let's go to 8, and that's where I entered a sell, right? So right around here, I was expecting the market to continue selling down. I mean, it's kind of obvious that it wouldn't, but I just didn't spot it out very good this morning, huh? So this one I entered with a 0.2. It went against me around 70, so that was a loss of 146. So I entered there. Let's remove it. So I entered there to the sell side, and let's see where I sold it. 3 hours later, around 11, this is where I sold it. Or I think it hit my stop loss possibly at 14,331. Even if I had held it through to here, you can see that I wouldn't really be in any profit. I would have just went through this motion and then ended up upside down at the end of the day. So this one was the first trade, a loss of 146.66. The next one was entered on the same candle with a 0.1. You can see that if I'm trying to go into the trade, I don't have all my trades on one. I just have like 2 trades, try to separate them. 0.2 for that bigger move and 0.1 for the runner if it's a good runner candle. This one had the same stop loss, and it was a loss of 73.08. By then I was like, yeah, this is max pain for me right now. Losing too much on these trades, so let me just stop. The next one I entered 14 hours after open, and this one was at 14,369. Not sure if I hit a stop loss or no, I just closed this one quickly for a $4 loss because I could kind of sense that the market was about to reverse. So I just closed that one for a $4 loss. How soon? Within about an hour. So, oh no, it looks like I hit a stop loss at 14,367. Oh no, it didn't hit my stop loss. I manually closed it. My stop loss was a bit lower, but I could kind of see that it was trending lower, so I just closed it out. Not sure why it's not matching up here. Let's see if this lines up now. So this one is saying on the 15-hour candle, I entered at 14,369. So I was expecting market to kind of come down and grab some liquidity in this range, or kind of sweep some lows before making that move up. This one I entered. It's looking like 14 is actually 15. Let's see. Let's move it over to this one. Let's see if this matches up better. There. And then I close this one out for profit on the 16 hours after open candle, which is the 15 candle here. Hopefully you can follow it and it's not too tricky. I close it down there closer to the bottom on the wick. So that one was a profit of 221. Next one I entered on the 16-hour candle, but it reflects as the 15-hour. Let me move this to see if it helps. So this one I want to be the 16. Let's go 100. 16. No. Go 3. No. No. Oh, why would you pick that one? Guitar. Okay, 16. Okay. This looks like the one. Trading Dubai time. Next one I entered, as you can see, 16 here. So 16. That was at 14,340. So I entered 2 downside trades on this. I got the candle move down, so I just exited at that point. 14,340.63, and then I closed it. Same 6 candle. 30 minutes after. So this is just an example of just taking your profits, because if you didn't take your profits, you would have got hit today. So I entered here, close it out here. I might look for this to target down here, to be honest. Sweep it again before pushing up. It kind of looks good. I'm gonna enter it. Oh no, I'm logged into that. What do I do? Nah. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. I'm gonna enter a sell, aiming for down here. What highs would you aim for? We're aiming for highs. We're aiming for this high next. So if we're aiming for this high, aiming for this sell, if you come down there on the daily, we're actually looking bullish but bearish, as in we opened here, we're kind of pushing down. We are bullish, but you want to see some movement down before I push up. Where is this? 7. Looking over the last trade. Let's look at the last trade now. I entered this one 18 hours after open. This one. Wow. So I entered right, but I just got wicked out. So I entered at 14,343. 14,343. So wow. So you can see that I entered correct. I just didn't have a big stop loss, because I could have ended up in profits today. But I got stopped out as it pushed on 7 minutes after, for a total loss of 5. So having a bigger stop loss would have worked there. At the same time, I didn't want to risk too much. You can see, like, risking all of this to make this and maybe be in profit, you know. Wouldn't be crazy worth it. But that's it for today's video, really. I mean, should have some news coming in on Friday. Other than that, market's just trading. I'm wondering if people are gonna like tax loss harvest and start to sell going into here. You can buy January, sometimes bigger money. See, bye bye.